Hey guys, it's Tina here. Welcome back to another episode of Tina Tries It. In today's episode, I will be trying out the Scalp Exfoliating Swabs. So this is a CP1 Scalp Swap, but I think they're meant to say swab. I got this in Korea in Yong. What drew me to this product was the before and after shot at the back. You can see in the before shot there's lots of dead skin and debris on the scalp, whereas the after shot, all the follicles look pretty clean. And in case you didn't notice, I have my lab coat back. My Microscope coat, because I'm going to be using the Microscope to look at my scalp before and after I use the exfoliating swabs. Now, okay, please keep in mind I have not washed my hair for 2 days, and because of that I sprayed a lot of dry shampoo on my hair, and so I'm expecting to see a lot of gunk in my hair follicles. So don't be alarmed, just warning you now, it's going to be disgusting. Okay, so let's have a look at my scalp. Last time I looked at it under the microscope, it was pretty gross. So this is what my scalp looks like. That's not too bad. Let's just keep moving back. Oh, okay. Here's a good one. You see this hair follicle right here? Usually if it's a clean follicle, you can actually see like a hole around it. But with this, there's like layers of, I don't know, dead skin. Oh, same with this one. That's bad. Ew. Okay, wait. Oh. Oh, yeah. I don't even think this is the bad bit. I think the bad bit's like back here. I have like dandruff as well. Oh. What is that? Yuck. Oh my god. That is disgusting. Oh. I think here. I'm just going for it, guys. Let's just examine a couple areas. Oh, okay. Oh my god. That one's so bad. Okay. So as you guys can see, I have a lot of buildup around the follicle. It looks pretty gross. I don't even know how to explain it. It looks like dead skin, but it's all like wrapped around the root of my hair. Oh my god. Look at that. That's bad. I'm actually yet to see a clean follicle to show you guys. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's just disgusting. This is really bad, and I heard that dry shampoo is actually really bad for your scalp because you're clogging it. And yeah, I could see how that is true. I don't even know if this is gonna look worse and worse, I think. Oh my god. Every new location I look at, it's just as bad. There is no clean follicle whatsoever. That is so gross. Holy. Are you serious? Oh my gosh, that's so bad. What is that? That's just like, that thing is just oozing out of my hair. That's so bad. I feel like, is that dandruff? I don't know, man, but that's just really bad. Oh my god, Zen, look at this one. Holy. Zen, I'm getting Zen to look at the back of my head and it's nasty. I have a spot of dandruff at the back. Zen just found a gold mine. Oh my god! Screenshot it! That's where my dandruff is. Oh my god. Wait, focus it a bit more.
Okay, wait.
Are you serious? This is bad.
Dude, it's like growing out of your head.
Can you see it? Is it
yeah,
like,
I can see
it's still
it.
attached?
It's a piece of like dandruff on your head. What am I doing?
This is what friends are for.
What am I doing?
Oh, 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 oh. Oh my gosh.
Wait.
Are you serious? Just go for it. Flip my hair. Find the nasty bits, and that's where we're gonna really work the exfoliating swab over.
Yep.
Oh my god! Dude! Are you serious? Oh my, that is huge.
Dude.
Dude, it's like hanging onto my hair. Oh my god, that big blob.
Oh.
Oh my gosh. Do I need to switch to an anti-dandruff shampoo?
Wait. Oh my god.
Holy cow. I thought the top was bad until the back. I always like see sometimes like flaky bits at the back of like dead skin and dandruff, but that's the first time seeing the back of my head and I am disgusted. Hopefully this baby works out because as you saw, I need a major deep clean ASAP. So in this pack there are 5 swabs. So to open, you just like press on the top and then pull the swab out. I didn't expect it to be that big. I actually thought it'd be like a regular bud, but that's huge. Okay. Zen's going to try to exfoliate the worst bits that she found. Just like rub it in there. Oh, it's cold.
Oh.
Is it doing something?
Yeah, it disappeared.
What? I wonder how many times you have to use it. Maybe one swab is just for one use, like for the whole head. But man, my head, I might need like 3. It doesn't sting or anything. You can't really feel anything. It just feels like a wet cotton swab running through my scalp. It's really gonna work it in. It's still the same color. It hasn't turned black or anything. Yeah, I'm not too sure if you're supposed to wait or massage it in or anything. I think you just literally wipe over the area. I want to ask you guys, how often do you wash your hair? When I was like living in Sydney, the hairdressers would tell me don't wash it like more than like once or twice a week because you know you'll strip your head's natural oil and it's bad for your scalp and it'll get more oily. But then ever since moving to Singapore, everyone's like wash it every single day. I wash it every like second, third day. It gets so oily here in Singapore because it's so humid. But in Sydney, because it's much drier, you can go like 3-4 days without washing it. It's actually still quite wet, so am I just gonna go for it? Like I'm just gonna do the whole back. Shooby-dooby-doo wop wop. I think I've like completely dried out this swab now. Yeah, it's starting to like fall apart. It's dead now. I think I did a pretty good job with that. So that's the swab. It's kind of like coming apart because maybe I overworked it and rubbed it onto my scalp too much, but I think I'm gonna stop there because it's losing all the moisture in it. So I feel like, yeah, I'm pretty done. It is time for the moment of truth. Please let this thing work. Let's just do the front where I can reach and then the back I'll get Zen to help me again. Dude, I still feel like it looks bad. Did this do anything? Hold on. Just do that one area. Okay, this totally did not fix anything. I think I was better off washing my hair, guys. Yeah, like, dude. I didn't have high hopes for this, but I thought it would do something. Okay, Zen, I need to see the back. Wait, rub over the back one more time and then microscope it. Okay, maybe it doesn't really clean out the gunk, but yeah, like you said, maybe it just dissolves the dead skin. So maybe all that cloggage is just like product and dry shampoo, hair oils. I just film some and just go really slow. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yuck.
Yeah.
Yuck. That's so bad. Okay.
Oh, you have a white hair.
Oh my god, I have a white hair?
Yeah. It's cool.
Oh my god.
It's a white hair.
Oh, there it is. Wait, focus out. Like,
Wait.
turn the focus.
Oh shit. I'm trying to find like where's
The root of it.
yeah.
Oh, is that it?
Why is that green?
Is that my grey hair? Oh,
Ew.
that's so gross.
That's not it.
That's not even it. That's just another gross hair. Oh, I see it. My grey hair. Oh my god, I'm getting old. Oh my gosh.
That one white hair.
It's like
I want to
transparent.
find that root of it.
Follow it.
Oh.
Oh. There it is. Ew.
Ew.
So bad. So as you guys could see that this product isn't really that deep cleaning. Zen said, however, it did dissolve the dandruff flakes that you can actually visually see. So I think maybe it's great for those of you who have those flakes that you want to get rid of, and you know, you don't want to be like brushing it out or like, you know, aggravating it. You can just use the swab to dissolve that dead flaky skin. However, if you're like me and your scalp is full of other things like dry shampoo, other hair products, just a buildup of hairspray that's obviously clogged my follicles, this isn't going to be hardcore enough to get rid of those. I think that you need to actually wash your hair and use like a scalp or a head exfoliator thing. I'm just kind of sad, but I will rate this product. Look, I'll give it a 3.5 out of 10. I think I just had really high expectations because of the before and after photo at the back. But you know what, to be fair, the before photo does look more like flaky skin and not build up in the follicle. I'm so sorry if like I gross you guys out. I gross myself out. Zen is like, yes, you totally grossed me out. I'm sorry, Zen, we just moved to like another level. Our relationship, our friendship has just gotten up. We looked like apes just then. You were picking my head. That is it for me, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed this super random video. I'm just gonna go and scrub my head now. So I shall speak to you guys next time. Bye. I need to wash my hair ASAP. Did you see that? That was like a whole nother plan.